Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets continuing to move down this week also. Not so much with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was up this week, slightly up, but Nifty, closed down this week. But both of them, taking resistance from higher levels and starting to move down, right? So what you can do for this week is, first of all, if you see Nifty is definitely way more bearish than Bank Nifty. So if we want to sell, we will think of selling in Nifty, right? And not in Bank Nifty. Previously, we had thought that, okay, we will sell in Bank Nifty and not in Nifty. But now Nifty has become way more bearish than Bank Nifty. So now we will continue to sell in Nifty and not so much in Bank Nifty, right? In Bank Nifty, we can rather think of buying from here, right? I mean, if we do get a buying opportunity. Again, same thing with Bank Nifty taking rejection from the top. But if you see Bank Nifty has some supports on the downside, I'll go into the daily charts and show you guys. If we see there is 43,600, there is 44,000, even 43,500 will act as a good support for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has pretty good multiple supports on the downside, whereas Nifty, not really having any sort of a support. You could say 19,200 could act as a psychological support since it's a round number, but that's about it, right? After that, Nifty has no support. Then there is support of 19,000 and then 18,800, right? 800 to 850. So until then, Nifty doesn't really has any sort of a support. So if we want to sell, we will sell in Nifty because we'll get way better trades in Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty, right? So both of the indices may continue to move a little bit, but if you see in the weekly charts, right, Bank Nifty may go down this week, go down this week, again take support, make a candle like this and close higher, right? So definitely markets could wait over here for some time, at least Bank Nifty, whereas Nifty may continue to slowly still move down till 19,000, take support and then consolidate for some time. But both of these indexes can still move down a little bit. There is a good space on the downside, and yeah, on maybe markets might wait over here itself for maybe a few weeks, by the maybe end of August or something, 2 or 3 weeks, and then start moving down. Either give a breakdown then, or start moving up again. But definitely Nifty could continue to move down slowly till 19,000 and then take support. So if we want to sell, we will continue to sell in Nifty, right? In the daily charts in Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty exactly taking support from the level that it had previously seen buying from. So yeah, right now, where will we sell is, I'm going to show you guys where exactly can we sell. If you see right now, there is this gap over here on the upside at 44,450 to 500. You can say this range is a very good resistance. So if we want to sell, what you guys can do is that once the market breaks this high, everybody will start buying. And then if the market takes rejection from 44,500 to 450, then we'll go ahead and take a selling trade again till 44,000, right? You can book some profit at 44,200, and then you can book all of your profit at 44,000. Then if 44,000 breaks, we can make new shorts. But until then, we will book our profits at 44,000, because chances are markets could again take support at 44,000 and start moving up, right? Markets, it looks like the market as of now could take some support on these proper levels, oh sorry, on these good could take some support on 44,000, 43,600 for some time, and then move anywhere, right? As of now, market has moved on both sides. If you see in the daily chart, market has moved up, market has moved down, and now chances are market might stay in a range for some time, but the range is still not bit clear. Maybe you might get a clear range in a few days, but as of then, one trade that we can get is that once the market breaks today's high, a lot of people will start buying into the market. And so when the market comes near 44 450 to 500, we will go ahead and take a selling position. When will we go bullish is if 43,600 is broken, because from here we will know that the market is again going up to test this high. But until then, until 44,600 is not broken, we will not go ahead and buy in Bank Nifty. We will still go ahead and take a selling position just until just till the target of 44,000 and 44,200. So tomorrow, our plan could be, if markets open flat, or if they even open with a gap up anywhere near 44,200, 44,350, all these levels, we'll wait for the markets to come near 44,500 to 450, this range, and then we'll go ahead and take a selling position in Bank Nifty till the first target of 44,200 and then second target of 44,000 on the downside. If say we open with a gap down somewhere near 44,000, then we need to look at the price action, because 44,000 is a very good support. 44,000 to 40 3950 will be a very good support. So if the market say breaks 44,000 and you're not seeing good selling coming in, you're not seeing fast selling coming. What do I mean by fast selling is this is a very fast selling, right? Same thing over here also. If you see, this is a very fast selling. So if you are not seeing any sort of a such fast selling coming in the market after 44,000 is broken, then we'll go ahead and take a buying position from here, right? Then we'll go ahead and take a buying position. Our target first will be 44,200 and then we can aim for 44,450 to 500 on the upside, right? Again, that is if we open with a small gap down, say somewhere near 44,100 or maybe 44,150, all these are. But anyways, if we get near 44,000 and if we do not see fast selling coming in, we can go ahead and take a buying position from here. Our first target, as I said, will be 44,200 and then our second target will be 44,450 to 500 on the upside, because we are expecting the market to stay in a range for some time and then move at in a certain direction, right? Talking about Nifty, however, if you see, Nifty is way more bearish than Bank Nifty. If you see, Nifty has closed even at the day's low, right? So tomorrow, just a sec, just give me a second. I'll go ahead and adjust this. Yeah, if you see tomorrow, what we can do with Nifty is if we open, say, with a gap up somewhere near 9320 and all these levels, we'll wait for the markets to break this high. We'll wait for the markets to go till 19,380 and then we'll go ahead and take a selling position at 19,380, right? Until when will we not buy is until 19,450 is not broken, because 19,450, if you see, market has taken resistance multiple times from 19,450 to 480 levels. So again, markets might come up till this level and take resistance or at least consolidate over here for some time. So only if we break 19,480 to 450, then we'll go ahead and take a buying position. Until then, we'll not buy. But yeah, as I said, we can sell as soon as we get any sort of opportunity from 19,400 to 375, right? This 25-point range, once the market gets near this 25-point range, you can look for selling opportunities. Either you can look for a maybe a bearish candle being made in a 15-minute in 15-minute time frame, or you can also wait for 5-minute price action, negative price action, that is lower lows and lower highs being made, and then you can go ahead and take a selling position over here. Your first target will be 19,300 and your second target you can keep till 19,250, because market are traveling from a if say the markets go up again and if they again come down, markets will be traveling almost more than 100 and like 120 to 130 points, right? So markets will then wait for some time and then they will break down, right? That is if we say open the gap up and start moving up, right? Say if we open flat and start crossing down, then we'll go ahead and take a short position over here. Our first target will be straight up 19,200. If the market does not take support from 19,200, we will hold our positions for even bigger targets of 19,000. Maybe 19,000 might not come tomorrow itself, so you can book your profits at 19,200 and keep very less quantity for 19,000, or you can book your quantity at the end of the day, whatever you are comfortable with, right? That is if you open flat and start moving. If you open the gap down, say somewhere near 19,200, then we'll wait for a pullback till 19,250, right? Once we get a pullback till 19,250, we'll wait for a negative price action in 5-minute chart near 19,250, and that is when only we will go ahead and take a short position. Again, our target then will be 19,200 or the day's low, whatever might be the day's low, right, which Nifty makes tomorrow. And then our target will be even more higher targets. You can book at every 50 points also, or you can let the rest of, or you can let the trade run till 19,000 also. But as I said, 19,000 may not come tomorrow itself. It may take a day or two for 19,000 to come, right? Now that is for Nifty. So yeah guys, both Nifty and Bank Nifty have still some space to move downside, but Nifty more, right? More than Bank Nifty, Nifty has more space. So if you want to sell, we will focus on Nifty and not Bank Nifty, right? Again, Bank Nifty has multiple supports on the downside. So if you want to buy, we will buy in Bank Nifty, but Nifty doesn't really has a lot of supports. So if you want to sell, we will sell in Nifty. I said it way too many times, but yeah, whatever. You guys get the point, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. This week we may not see a lot of action, but again, if something changes, I give out market analysis every day, so you don't have to worry, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.